But recently, there have been fewer in our skies. Some species have even vanished entirely. Why? My name is Christian. For over 20 years, I have watched and studied birds. I learned to pilot a microlight to fly alongside them. I have been sharing this magical experience with anyone wishing to see these wonders. But I can't bear standing by and watching these birds disappear. What could be discouraging them from flying over our lands? The expanding towns? The disappearing meadowland? Are there any other reasons? I want to understand and act. I want to do everything I can to help these birds continue their seasonal pilgrimages.